In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space in Gmail and Google Drive, utilizing Google One Storage. Managing your digital storage efficiently is crucial in today's world, where data accumulation is almost unavoidable. Whether it's endless email threads, abundant photos, or those hefty work files, space can fill up faster than you think. But don't worry, we have some straightforward methods to clear up that clutter. Let's get started by first addressing your inbox, Gmail. You might be surprised by how much space those long-forgotten emails and spam can take up. Start by going to your Gmail inbox. In the search bar at the top, type "has attachment larger to 10 MB." This search will pull up all emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes. Review these emails and consider deleting the ones you no longer need. If you prefer to preserve information but want to save space, think about downloading attachments and then deleting the email. Next, it's a great idea to clean up those promotional and social tabs. Navigate to either tab and look for a small box icon at the top left. Click it to select all emails on that page. A message will appear saying, "Select all XXX conversations in promotions." Click on this link to select every promotional email and then simply hit delete. Follow this same process for your social tab and watch those gigabytes free up. Moving on to Google Drive, those large files can often sneakily hog your storage. Open Google Drive and look for the storage option, usually on the left-hand side. Here you'll see all your files sorted by size, with the biggest ones at the top. Review these files carefully. Ask yourself if there are any you can delete or move to an external hard drive. You might also want to download them onto your computer before deleting them from the drive, ensuring that important documents are never lost. Don't forget about Google Photos. High-resolution photos and videos are major space consumers. Open Google Photos and locate the Free Up Space option. Google will offer to delete device copies of photos that have already been backed up to the cloud, helping you save space locally. Also, check for duplicate or similar photos that might have been backed up multiple times and remove them. Lastly, it's essential to make a habit out of monitoring your storage. Regularly check your Google storage by visiting the Google One Storage page. This gives you a complete overview of how your storage is being used across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Set reminders for yourself to perform these cleanups regularly, perhaps once every couple of months. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Google One storage, ensuring you have plenty of room for new memories and essential documents. Don't let digital clutter weigh you down. Take control today.